How to select and start a cycle on an LG front-load washer. Congratulations on your new LG front-load washer. LG front-load washers are consistently top-rated for reliability and offer large capacities, high performance, and ease of use. Let's select and start a wash cycle on your new machine. First, press the power button to turn the unit on. Then turn the cycle selector knob to choose a specific cycle based on the fabric type of your current load, such as normal, heavy-duty, or delicates, to name a few. Select any options you would like to add, such as fabric softener, extra rinse, or other. Now press the Start/Pause button to start the cycle. The LG front-load washer will begin sensing the load, then add water, wash, rinse, and spin to complete the entire cycle. A chime melody will alert you when the cycle is finished. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your washer. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.